In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Sounds and Vibration over here. Then you need to scroll down again, tap on Vibration and Haptics over here, and use this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to switch them on or off. If you decided to enable them, you can click on all of those switches next to all of those features to disable or enable haptic feedback for them. When you finished, go back and click on this switcher next to Always Show icon when in vibrate mode to enable or disable this option as well. Last but not least, click on this one next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to manage it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!